I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your SIM card on E can be straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here's how to do it without losing your service. Step 1. Back up your data. Before you swap out your SIM card, make sure to back up any important data on your phone. This includes contacts, messages, and any other essential information. Step 2. Power off your device. Turn off your phone to avoid any potential issues while changing the SIM card. This helps prevent any damage to the SIM or the device itself. Step 3. Locate the SIM card tray. Find the SIM card tray on your device. This is usually located on the side of the phone and may require a SIM eject tool or a paperclip to open. Step 4. Replace the SIM card. Carefully remove the old SIM card from the tray and insert the new one. Make sure it is aligned correctly with the tray. If you have a dual SIM phone, ensure you're replacing it in the correct slot. Step 5. Power on and test. Turn your device back on and check if you have service. You may need to adjust your network settings if the new SIM doesn't automatically connect. Sometimes, you might see a message about activating the new SIM. If you follow these steps, you should be able to change your SIM card without any hassle. If you run into issues, don't hesitate to reach out to e-customer support. Good luck!